Okay, up the pump out here with these Tlyard Molle panels for my Cybertruck. These are gonna go inside the truck. So we're gonna check them out. Let's open the box up, see what they look like. All right. Got instructions. Got a couple panels, a couple connectors. So this is what we're going to be adding today. All right, stay tuned and see how good I can do this here. These look pretty good though. Okay, so it's figuring out what the instructions here. Basically taking these and putting them on the inside of the panels here. And just like so. I already did that one. I've got to do this one here. And then we will do this one here. So far, pretty easy. All right, so left side done. It's in there pretty secure. I think it's not going anywhere. So that's good. I will do a tip though. And putting these in, you are going to want to put this in first. Otherwise, it's a pain in the bottom. All right, Tlyard inside Molle panels on the Cybertruck. Really nice. Once I figured out how to put them on there, it got in easier, but took a little bit. But these are strong and look good. So thank you, Tlyard. This is great. All right, F the pump out.